Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for my purse club. Now, if you're not familiar, this is a monthly or seasonal purse club. So it's $36.99 a month or every quarter, 4 times a year. They also have a shop that has jewelry, soap, wallets, and makeup. So that's fun. New clients get free gifts with their first purchase. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for April or May. So when you get it, it comes in this brown paper. And so let's go ahead and bust into this. Let me start with a knife. She tapes it really, really well. Okay, I'm going to tear it open here. Oh, how cute! She wraps everything. I mean, look how cute that is. Let's see what this one is. Now, you can set a profile. It's actually quite extensive. What style you like, whether it be satchel, boho bags, clutches, things like that, and style class, is it? Where it's either classic, luxurious, casual, that kind of thing. They also ask you the colors you like and all of that. So, there it is in a nice dust bag. Looks like I have a brown one this time. Oh, look at that. Has a nice big zipper pocket in the front. Let's see how deep it is. Plenty deep enough for a phone. It has a very pretty lining inside. How cute. This feels like real leather, even though it's not. It is vegan. And let's see. We have a zipper on top. Oh, okay. And that's what it looks like inside. It's just one big pocket. And there's also a zipper pouch right here. I love the lining inside there. That's really pretty. Now, this does come with an adjustable strap, so this is more like a crossbody. Now, there was also something else inside, a little makeup bag, and it has a hook if you need to hook it for something. Oh my gosh, even this comes with a little handle, so you can just throw your card, your phone in there, and go to the store. And let me look inside here. Look at, there's even that lining inside here. Oh, okay. Needs to be pushed down. There we go. Hold your little makeup items in there. I love it. So we got a makeup bag with a hand strap. And we got a nice brown crossover bag with beautiful lining and a strap for $36.99. Now, I've been pricing bags, you know, like at Kohl's or Walmart, and those can get expensive, the good ones. So I do think that this is worth it. And I am so glad that you came by today. I appreciate your support. I'm trying to get to 500, so smash that subscribe button for me. And I will see you soon.